Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone is ready. Plug in the charger and confirm battery is at least 50% so the update won't pause. Once done, back up now to iCloud or to a computer with iTunes so you can restore settings if something goes wrong. Make sure the iPhone is on a reliable Wi-Fi network and that you have roughly 2 to 3 gigabytes free. This speeds download and prevents installation errors. Now move to Settings to begin. You open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to see the available iOS version and release notes so you know what changes. Tap Download and install and accept the terms. The device will validate the package, which can take several minutes depending on connection speed. Once the download finishes, choose Install Now. The phone will prepare and then reboot into the installer. Stay patient during the progress bars. The phone handles file migration. After the reboot, follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup, including signing into your Apple ID and enabling settings like iCloud and location services so apps sync correctly. Check your apps and photos. If something is missing, restore from the backup you made earlier. If the update fails or the device gets stuck on the Apple logo, connect it to a computer and use iTunes or Finder to enter recovery mode and reinstall iOS. This fixes corrupted installs without guessing why it failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.